Hello, my name is Ife, and I wanted to take a moment to talk about my experience with AmejTrading Forex Academy. Forex trading was always something I wanted to get into. I started watching some YouTube videos, but it appeared incredibly complex and risky. So I went online to search for proper Forex Academy, and that was when I discovered AmejTrading. What set AmejTrading apart is their commitment to providing structured and well-rounded education. Their courses are designed for traders of all levels, from beginner to advanced. Their instructors are knowledgeable, patient, and always ready to answer questions. Since enrolling in their program, I've seen remarkable improvement in my trading skills and overall understanding of the Forex market. The emphasis on risk management has been a game changer for me. I now feel more confident in my trading decision. And look, I made profit in my last trading session. It's amazing.